Ph261 Chapter 8 Homework Problem number 9. It says, a 20 kilogram object is acted on by a conservative force given by F equals negative 3x minus 5x squared with F in newtons, x in meters. Take the potential energy associated with the force to be 0 when the object's x is 0. So we can start listing our givens. Now, what are we given? Well, we're given the force, which is negative 3x minus 5x squared. And we know that if the potential energy at 0 equals 0, and we know the mass of the object is 20 kilograms. That seems like what we know so far. So now what we can do is we can integrate our force here, and that is going to be, we can pull the negative out, and it's going to be 1.5 x squared minus, what is this going to be, 5/3 x to the third. Or we could write that as 5x to the third over 3. Same thing. Now, it's asking us, what is the potential energy of the system associated with the force at x equals 3 meters? Okay. So what we can try to do here is it wants x, x at 3 meters. Let's see. 1.5. 3. Oh, wait. We took the negative out. That's going to be a plus. Okay. So, this is the mistake. We took the negative out. This is going to be a plus. So this is going to equal, if we, of course, substitute, this is going to be 1.5 times 3 squared plus 5 to the 3 to the third over 3, and it's going to equal 58.5. So that's A. It says if the object has a velocity of 2 meters per second in the negative direction on the x-axis, when is x equals 6 meters? When it is x equals 6 meters, what is its speed when it passes through the origin? Okay. So we know the potential energy. We know energy equals 1/2 mv squared over 2 plus potential energy. We can use that to first find let's first find the energy. So energy equals 1/2 mv squared. So we plug in what we know plus potential energy. And it's saying the potential energy at x equals 6. So potential energy at 6. And it gives us the velocity. So this is going to be 1/2 20 times 2 squared plus this, but at 6. So let's figure out what that would be. Okay, big number there. So this is going to be here. This is going to be 414 at 6. And then 1/2 20 times 2 squared. It's going to be 40. So if we add that up, it's going to be 454. And now, to find the velocity, is going to equal the square root of 2 times the energy divided by the mass. So we take the square root of 2 times, that's the energy there, and we divide that by the mass is 20. Then we get 2 times 454 divided by 20. We get velocity equals 6.73, and that's B. And then it asks, what are the answers to A and B if the potential energy of the system is taken to be -6 joules when the object X is at 0? Well, aha. So what you do here Instead, we do the same thing, 1.5x squared plus 5x to the third over 3. But here there's actually a silent plus u of 0. So instead of leaving this blank, what we do is we then add, or actually we might be subtracting, -6. So same thing. Let's go back up and find our answers. And what we can do yeah, it definitely says -6. So what this should be is 1.5x squared. Well, that says the answer for A. So 3 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3 to the third over 3 minus 6. I seem to be getting the wrong answer for this. It's very interesting. Because at -6 here, after doing all this, I'm actually getting 52.5, which is the same as just taking our answer here and subtracting 6. Which should be the answer. So why isn't it? Because it looks like the answer here is as if we took out 7. and not 6? Because 58.5 minus 6 is 52.5 and not 51.5. That's very interesting. Let me look at my notes. This isn't making sense. Well, let's see, maybe... (1.5 times 3 squared plus 5). Let's see, just do alpha y equals 5 over 3, but it's going to be 5 to the third over 3. And then this minus 6. No, that's still 52.5. Wait a second. No, it's asking for A when x was 3 meters. What are the answers to A and B if the potential energy of the system is taken to be negative 6 joules at x equals 0? It really should be A subtract 6. 58.5 subtract 6. 52.5 all day long. B would not be affected. Well, shoot, I'm at my wit's end on this. Wonder why it isn't working. Well, that's the video. I will ask my teacher. I'm still going to upload this. And hopefully someone in the comments can explain to me why this isn't working. I'm pretty sure that I'm saying the right thing. Why it is not the answer, I can't say, but I'm very confident that what I am saying is correct. That is why I'm going to upload this video. Why the answer isn't right, that is something I don't know. That is the mystery. Perhaps my logic is flawed. My methodology is flawed. Because the way I see it, you could just take potential energy of A and then just subtract U of 0, which in this case is -6. So you can just take the potential energy and subtract 6. Or you can do the full equation here and then put -6 at the end. Either way, you get the same answer, which is 52.5. That's the video. Thank you guys for watching.